Guys, TM Pyro 1 here. We're going to do a store walkthrough. We're at 1210 on the new 68 here in Sweetwater, Tennessee. They are open until July 5th. And let's go in here. And the store it's Val and Frankie Howe. I just spoke with Val, and she said anybody that sees this on my YouTube channel gets a 10% discount on anything in the store. So that was pretty wild. And she also mentioned that any veterans or civil servants, even church groups as well, get discounts. So let's go in here and do the tour here. We're going to start over here. Walk over here to the novelties. All kinds of stuff here. The magic crystals there. The flying diamonds. Those are always fun. Got all kinds of goodies here. Green Hornet. Of course, you can't go wrong with the pooping puppies and everything else there. Get into the chicken laying eggs and the pistol poppers. Oh, they got torpedo crackers there. Snapdragons. Black cat items. Some of the novelties here.
Okay. See? No.
Alright.
Wait.
Let's see here. We go over here. 59 cents a pack here.
You hold it.
Some bottle rockets.
You can hold it. Show Daddy. So we got heart-shaped sparklers.
Oh man, look at there. Already being spoiled. Heart-shaped sparklers. Alright. Go here. You got the
Be careful with it, okay?
little assortments here. Looks to be a safe and sane. Gotta check those out. Good old emojis. We'll go in here. This table here. They have quite a bit of stuff. Get another little shelf here. Here's kinds of shells. My little pyro helper here. Just kind of look around here.
Daddy, look at fish.
So, the little chuckos, killer bees, kinds of good stuff here. Some fountains. They carry Wild Dragon brand, Black Cat brand, Brothers brand. Carry a little bit of everything here. That's pretty neat. So, go down here. They even carry some Mega Banger here. Giant Roman candles here. Go to the Roman candle section. Look around there. Got some blackjacks, got some crazy aces. I think I hear Sky Song, which is a good brand. World class Patriot rockets. Corona rockets. Brothers. Wild Dragon. window. They carry a little bit of everything here, which is really nice. Got the table O sparklers here. We got large morning glories and regular sparklers here. So your smoke bombs, sparklers. Carry Showtime brand stuff. Can't go wrong with some Saturn missiles here. Oh, they got a little daytime stuff here too as well. Huh. Got Captain America by Brothers. Got some Sky Song. Got daytime single shots here. Oh, I got a double night parachute. Double day parachute. That's pretty wild. Of course, your missiles there. Let's go ahead. We'll go over here and we will get into the 200 grams. Carry some good stuff here. Crazier 8 Wild Dragon. Got some world class here. Dark Ghost, Evil. Firecrackers here. Boomers. All kinds. They carry like I said, they have a wide selection of different stuff here. The Motor Mouse, Mobile Menace. Let's see. Do or Die. Your Bling Bling, Skull Camo. That comes in a 2-pack as well. You get Mama's Boy and Skull Camo. It looks like it's a double pack there. It is. You got Black Cat stuff. Mini rig here. Getting some to the 500 grams there. Freaking Mad. That's a good cake right there. By Fireworks. Complex Hot Brand. All kinds of stuff. We got, let's see here. By the Law. Hit the Road Jack. Like I said, they carrying a little bit of everything. They carry some good stuff here. Good cake selection. And Val said that, she always, she's all about making sure somebody has something for the 4th of July here. So she said she'd work with, people to make sure they have something. Got Cherry Bomb brand here. Let's go over here to the assortments. Well, here's some stuff over here. We got Heavyweights, Uber Good, Vengeful Texan, Holy Moly. That's a good one right here. All In by Window. Triple Whammy by Brothers is a good one. Of course, you can't go wrong with the container load here. And she has it open to where you can see what you get in the container load. So this is pretty wild. This is different. And of course, you got The Godfather. Thing's huge. All right, now we're gonna go to the show selections here. Got some more of your. You got some festivals balls and crackling artilleries and neons. You got Fury by Sky Song here. Got canister shells there, 6-pack. Let's see, of course you got Jack's Cows, Quest. This is the ones I kind of been looking at here, the Chaos. And they have the Grand Juries. Good selection. Then over here, got double break neons from Brothers. And we got Chaos. Got the 12 canister shells. Can't go wrong with Echo in the ear. Got Smoke in the ear. Go down here, what we got? We got all kinds of stuff here. We got Brothers here. So they got labeled one, looks like 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks pretty wild. Come over here, we got some more shells. Fireball, American Chief, Double Up, Firehawk, another brand. Like I said, this place has a little bit of everything in here, depending on what you're looking for. And again, the place is just came here, so. But like Val said, she said anybody that sees this on my YouTube channel will get additional 10% off anything in the store. And anybody that was prior military or officer or civil servant or church, they also as well get a discount as well. So I'd like to thank Val for allowing me to do this. And guys, if you get a chance, please swing on down here. It's in Sweetwater, 1210 on the new 68. And check them out. T Empire 1 out.